Alright guys, welcome to It's Time to Have Fun, where all videos are amazing. And here's another amazing video coming right this way. This video off differently today because look what I see right down here in the Six Flags parking lot. Here goes Tormenta. It's actually not open fully yet, it's like in testing. But look at that. Look at that. And if you guys didn't know, they've actually re-announced the opening date for July 9th. So that will just be next Friday. So anyways guys, welcome back to today's video. And like I said, I will be going to Six Flags Over Texas the next week. It's Thursday, July 2nd, just a few days before 4th of July. And so anyways, we're just going to be here today hanging out, riding rides and things like that. And maybe showing you some updates, which obviously this is a big update right here. But now, it's like not going, if Tormenta's actually going, and it actually has people on it. So that's a closer step to opening, definitely. So anyways, we're going to go we're going to just enjoy a visit. We're at Six Flags Over Texas today. And so this is the day before Star Spangled Night starts. And I will not be going to Star Spangled Nights. And the reason why is because I am totally scared of fireworks. I cannot handle them. So I just decided to go today. It's the day before that. But so anyways, we're just going to be hanging out here and riding rides and things like that. Alright guys, yes, you might guess obviously, first up is Pandemonium. So this is the last few hours of the park opening. Let's just see what we can get done. But so yeah, we're going to ride Pandemonium. And so yeah, we're just going to get this one out of the way. We're possibly going to ride Aquaman Power Wave next, which I think that's going to be a short line, I believe. And then, so we're just going to see what we can ride. I think my brother's going to pick something. And yes, whole family is back in town. So everyone came today. But so yeah, I think we're right there. Well guys, I was about to get on Aquaman Power Wave and it broke. It broke down right before I got on, and look at that. They're stuck over there. Broke. And yes guys, like I said, I did ride Pandemonium. And like always, the best ride ever. This was a fun ride. We got a good spin on it. Oh yeah, fun ride. Worth the wait. Alright, so our next ride is could possibly be a lock-on. And your stuff is running right here. sorry guys, I've not been really making much of a video. But anyways, guys, I did Batman, and if I will ever his first time, he was scared, but I think he liked it. But for Batman, it's a fun ride. Got good glimpses on each inversion. But yeah, fun ride. And then Roger's ice cream, fun, operating very well. It was very rough. And then, so it's actually back on 2 trains now, actually. And then, so, anyways, we rode that. And then, so we rode Aquaman Power. We had a pretty good splash. Not the best, but still good. And now, as you can see, we're currently walking up for Justice League. As you can see, we have this poster now, just outside of a training post that says 65, Six Flags, Olympic I think so. That's gonna be like the people cheering. Other people riding it. Shirts and stuff for Tormenta. We are currently in the shop. Oh wow, we have these. Look at that. That's a cool hat. I'll put it right here. There we go. What, ma'am?
I said that's intense.
What?
Yeah, look at this. Whoa.
Alright guys, that will do it for our day here at Six Flags, or night here at Six Flags Over Texas. I enjoyed it. It was so fun. Sorry, I might have not gotten the best of updates. But I got the big update, which Tormenta is actually running. I think they were having some private events, so that means like people are riding it. So I don't know, but I think that is a good sign that it won't be delayed. And so, anyways, so yeah, and so yeah, I got a few updates, and then so anyway, so yeah, for Justice League, it was fun like always. Fire gets me every time. Then so we actually ended the night we rode Runaway Mountain. So we did that, and so Runaway Mountain, it was a fun ride like always. The werewolf was not working, and then so anyways, it was a fun night, and now so the park's closing pretty much. But anyways, it was a fun night. So that will be it for this trip. And also guys, I currently have 101 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. In about a month, from I'm making this video, you guys will be able to control my day at Six Flags Over Texas. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. What a wonderful video that was, but unfortunately it's now coming to an end. But if you want to see more, please make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. And I will see you next time.